In this lesson, we'll set up muscle systems for the character's thighs. So the steps here are essentially going to be the same. Let's go ahead and get to it. I'll go ahead and import in a muscle. Let's go ahead and choose Merge. We'll go ahead and grab the object, open it up, click All, and then OK. Nice. Let's say we go ahead and move this over to the side just a bit. Alright, sweet. It's now time to rename our layers. So we'll use thigh_L_ for each prefix. I'll pause the video and do that on my end. Sweet, so each layer has been renamed. Next, let's say we go ahead and figure out the muscle size. We'll head over to our Expose node. Underneath the Modify panel, we'll go ahead and scroll up. Now what are the two objects we'll need to select? Well, here it's going to be the thigh and the shin. Okay, great. So once we've done that, let's go ahead and scroll down. Let's figure out our distance. That's 33.809. Let's go ahead and copy that. Then we'll jump over to our listener window. Again, I'll highlight everything and then just paste in the value and divide by 60. Let's go ahead and hit enter on the number pad. So here is the result. So what we need is 56.348. All right, let's go ahead and use that for our muscle's new size. Let's grab our scale gizmo and put in the value. So that's 56.348. All right, fantastic. So once we've done that, it's then just a matter of aligning this object over to the thigh. All right, great. Let's go ahead and choose OK. Here's the start helper. So knowing that, we'll go ahead and grab the global node. And with angle snap on, let's go ahead and rotate this down 90 degrees. Almost there. There we go. So once we've done that, then we can go ahead and grab that temporary helper that we added in the previous lesson, and we can use that to center this system. So no need to freeze its transforms or anything. No need to clear out the position constraint. We'll just go ahead and keep it. Let's say we go ahead and delete both position targets, and we'll add two new ones. So that's going to be the thigh and the shin. There we go. So there's the thigh, there's the shin. And let's go ahead and have a look at where the helper is. Perfect. What we could do now is go ahead and grab the muscle's global node, and we'll use Shift-A to quick align it to our helper. Great. So you can see our helpers here at the knee, they're starting to overlap a bit. But I think that they're still easy to select. So I'm not going to worry about resizing any of these. Not unless we have to. Alright, nice. So this is going to work out very well. Let's not forget to rename our muscle objects. So we can go ahead and do that next. I'll just head over to the Scene Explorer. We'll search for muscle. There we go. All right, sweet. From there, we'll go to Tools, Rename Objects, and change the prefix. So what's our new prefix going to be? Well, that's going to be thigh_L_, and we'll now click Rename. Nice. All right, so you can see that this was done a little bit faster, right? Because we have the process down. Now, what I'd like to do at this point is I'd like to actually go ahead and take these global nodes and link to their respective bones. We'll do the same thing for the shins. So this global node will be linked to the thigh bone. When we get to the shins, we'll go ahead and grab our global nodes and link to our shin bones. Sweet. So this connects it back to our skeleton. Fantastic stuff. Remember to use page up just to check your parent to make sure you've linked to the correct object. Wonderful. So again, I'll go ahead and leave the right thigh up to you. And in the next lesson, what we're going to do is actually work on getting this fully connected so that we can start to twist our muscle helpers as we rotate our ankle and the shin. As we get those twisting, we also want to see some behavior from our muscle systems, right? So that's what we'll start in the following lesson.